Hi lads, I'm going to go through the answer to question number 4 in the tab statements, okay? So let's go ahead. So question is on the screen and you have the following balance sheet for Anne Redden. Okay, very common, nothing strange here. And then you're given transactions and you're asked to do a tab statement. So balance sheet, so we have fixed asset, buildings, asset, machinery, asset, debtors, asset, stock, asset, bank, asset. Those are our first 5 assets. Creditors, liability, expenses due, liability, capital liability, profit and loss, liability. So I go to my worksheet. I've already done this out. So I have my buildings, machinery, debtors, stock, bank, and my creditors, expenses, capital, and profit and loss done out already. And I have each month, day of the month, so November the 1st, 4th, 6th, 10th, 15th, 17th, 19th, 24th, and my totals should look like so. So I'm just going to fill in the 1st of November, and that comes straight from all of these numbers up in the balance sheet. So buildings, 300,000. Machinery, 90,000. Stock, 26,000. Debtors, 55,000. Bank, 10,400. And then I'm going to total these now. So that equals sum. Okay, 481,400 is my total. So then creditors, 19,000. Expenses due, 500. Capital, 450,000. And profit and loss, 11,900. And I will add these up as well. And I get the same answer. So remember, as we go through the question, your total assets and total liabilities always have to add up to the same thing. Okay, that's one of the rules of these questions. So let's look at November 4th. We go through each date one at a time and we do what it asks us to do. So we received on November 4th, we received from a debtor a cheque for €630 in full settlement of a debt of 650 euro. So somebody owed us money. They owed us 650. We accepted 630 into the bank check. So we gave them the difference there. We gave them a discount of 20 euro, which is going to put our P&L down by 20 euro. So what do? We put our bank account would have gone up by 630 because we received 630. The amount of money we are owed would have gone down by 650, and our profit and loss went down by 20. Okay. So when I add everything up, when I add up the assets, I get minus 20, and when I add up the liabilities, I get minus 20. Okay, so that's November done. November 4th. November 6th, I paid by cheque, so that's going to come from the bank, expenses that were due at the beginning of the month. So I go back to my sheet, and I find expenses due here was 500 euro. So I paid them, so they go down by 500. Where did I pay them? I paid them by cheque, so my bank is going to go down 500 as well. And that's it. So if I was to add up the two columns, very straightforward, minus 500 in the assets, minus 500 in the liabilities. November 6th done. November 10th, I purchased goods on credit for 7,300. So if I purchased on credit, that means creditors, and purchased goods means stock. Okay, so my stock will go up 7,300 and my creditors will go up 7,300. So stock up 7,300, creditors up 7,300. Okay. November 15th, I paid by cheque. So again, bank, anything that says cheque is bank, 2,000. Just going to erase that. I made a bit of a... Paid by cheque, 2,000. So cheque is bank for repairs to a private residence. So private residence always means drawings, okay? So our bank would go down 2,000. And we're going to add in a new one in the liabilities called drawings. And that's going to go down 2,000 as well. Took 2,000 out of our company, basically, out of the company bank account. Okay, that's November 15th. November 17th, we purchased equipment for 12,000. So equipment is going to go up by 12,000. We paid 3,000 by cheque, so our bank account will go down 3,000. And we borrowed the rest from Quick Finance. So 12,000 minus 3,000 is 9,000 we borrowed from Quick Finance. So let's have a look what happens. So our equipment, our machinery goes up by 12,000 and our bank account goes down by 3,000. Then I'm going to put a new one in here. I'm going to call it Quick Finance. And we worked out that we borrowed 9,000. So this should balance. 12,000 minus 3,000 is 9,000, and in the liabilities we only have 9,000. Okay, November 19th, a debtor, so someone owed us money, owed us €900, was declared bankrupt and paid 50 cents in the euro. What that basically means is they paid us half. So they paid us half and we put it into the bank. The other half we're going to write off as a bad debt. Okay, so the debtor, the amount they owe us, comes down by 900. Our bank account goes up by 450, which is half of 900, and our profit and loss will go down by 450 because that's a bad debt that we've had to write off. So the amount of money we're owed goes down by 900 because we're writing it off. That's what it's called in accounting. Our bank account goes up by 450. We received 450. Sorry, that should be down by 900. Our bank account goes up by 450. Our profit and loss goes down by 450 because we've had to write that debt off. So minus 450 and minus 450. November 24th, last one, you paid by cheque a creditor's account balance. So we owed 1,800 and we received a discount of 100. Okay, so that's good. So that's plus P&L for us. We received a discount of 100. So we actually only paid 1,700 out of our bank. So the bank is going to go down 1,700. The amount we owe the creditor is going to go down 1,800, and our profit is going to go up 100. That's good. That was a good deal for us. Okay, add them up. Add them up. So as you can see, the whole way along, it has to balance every time. So minus 20, 2 seconds, minus 20, minus 20, minus 500, minus 500. You get the idea. 73, 73, minus 2,000, minus 2,000, 9,000, 9,000, minus 450, minus 450, minus 17, minus 17. So now to finish off the question, what we're looking for are these two things in yellow. We need to add up across the way. So we add up from November 1st to November 24th. And we do that all the way down. Okay, and we get 493,030 for our assets figure. Okay, and I'm going to put it in yellow. Okay, so 493,030 030. I'm going to do the same thing for liabilities. Do it all the way down. And again, happy days, we get 493030. Okay, so that's the question done. Everything balances. Job's a good one.